Hello guys, I have this glasses now. I finally have glasses now, and then this is the reveal. Oh, this is my. I can put this Gatorade, Slurpee, and then the final reveal. Wait, guys, I will show you the reveal spot. This is the eliminated time. I don't use this and I don't use this. Okay, I'm gonna send this in Shopee. Bye. Oh, I forgot. And then the final reveal is this. Did you see it?
Montage.
This is the final touch. This is before and after. And this is before and after. And Ate Ava is still passing me, and then I'm gonna pass Aiden for life, and then the wheels is done. This is perfect because if I go walk 2 feet, it's so very fast. What's that? That was an earthquake. And then this is the unlimited time. And like and subscribe back. Guys, like and subscribe. And then why do you not like and subscribe? Like and subscribe now. I want to be a YouTuber. And I'm fan of Mr. Beast. So unsubscribe Mr. Beast, and then I have the most subscribers. And see ya. Bye.